Hey friends, welcome back again. Today in this session, we'll solve this algebraic problem. Here it is: if a plus 5 plus 1 over a plus 3 that is equal to 0, then we'll have to find the value of a plus 5 plus 1 over a plus 5. Here it is a plus 3 and we'll have to find the value of 1 over a plus 5. So before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video. Now the solution of this problem. So first of all, we'll take this 1 over a plus 3 in the right hand side. So its sign will be changed, it will be negative. So now in the left hand side we have a plus 5 and that is equal to negative 1 over a plus 3, right? And now we'll cross multiply and we'll write this term in the denominator. Now look at here. So if we'll cross multiply, this will go in up, so it is a plus 3, right? And we'll write that is negative 1 divided by, we'll take this term in the denominator, so it is a plus 5, right? Now in the question we'll have to make it a plus 5. Now we'll write this 3 as 5. Now look at here, it is a plus 3 and we'll have to make it 5. For that we'll add 2 and we'll subtract 2, right? So it is a plus 5. In the right hand side we have 1 over a plus 5 and its sign is given, it is negative. Now this term we can write it as a plus 5 minus 2, right? And that is equal to negative 1 over a plus 5. So now moving forward, so here we have a negative 1. We can write this as negative 1. Now for removing this negative 1, we'll multiply both the side by negative 1. So it is negative 1 multiplied by negative 1. Here we'll have to make the terms are a plus 5. So we'll write a plus 5 separately and negative 2 separately. Now look at here. So we'll write negative 1 and we'll write a plus 5 separately. A plus 5 separately and negative 2 separately, and that is equal to negative negative will be positive, so it is 1 divided by a plus 5, right? So now finally we'll multiply negative 1 with the both the terms. Now the first term will be, so it is negative a plus 5, right? It is a plus 5 and here negative negative will be positive, so it is positive 2 and that is equal to 1 over a plus 5. Now in the next step we'll take this negative a plus 5 in the right hand side, so it will be negative will be positive, right? So in the right hand side we are left with 2, so 2 is equal to, here we'll take this term in the right hand side, it is positive a plus 5, right? And we'll write plus 1 over a plus 5. And now we'll arrange this term and we'll write the right hand terms first. So we can write it as a plus 5, right, plus 1 over a plus 5, right? And that's equal to, in the right hand side it will be 2, so it is 2. So final answer of this problem is 2, and thus our answer of this problem.